A lot of people with damage to their homes from this week's storms are trying to decide if it's worth it to submit a claim and potentially jeopardize their policies. The I-Team has been reporting how more and more homeowners are being dropped by their insurance companies. And this is when the state's FAIR Plan is supposed to kick in and help out. But the I-Team learned homeowners are now struggling to secure that coverage, too.
Here's one of the reasons why I moved here to Simi Valley, because I have this in the back, and it's beautiful.
But these hills that surround Lloyd Messinio's home are now creating a problem.
We felt we would be fine with our current insurance. This was a shock to me.
Lloyd's longtime homeowners insurance company, Farmers, recently dropped him, and he says other insurers don't want his business either, citing brush fire risk. Even though his home is protected against embers, it has a cement tile roof and screening in the vents.
We've had fires around us 3 times in 24 years, but nothing has ever gotten even close to us.
Desperate, Lloyd applied to the FAIR Plan, the state's insurer of last resort. It's pricey and offers less protection, but it covers you against fire when other insurance companies won't. But Lloyd says he waited weeks for the FAIR Plan to process his application.
I kept asking weekly and daily, why is it taking so long?
But he says he couldn't get any answers. In the meantime, his farmer's policy lapsed, so his mortgage company secured insurance for his home, known as force-placed insurance. The price tag, $2,700 a month.
Why do I have to pay a penalty when the system's broken?
The volume of applications that they're getting is swamping them.
Amy Bach with the consumer advocacy group United Policy Holders says the FAIR Plan can't keep up with demand. In fact, the I-Team learned in the past 5 years the number of FAIR Plan policies has nearly tripled. It receives 4,500 new applications every week. Bach says she's hearing complaints like Lloyd's too, and so is the Department of Insurance.
I have to assume that the department is doing everything that it can to pressure the FAIR Plan to get its act together and process the applications in a quicker manner.
But Bach pointed out it is hard for the Department of Insurance to crack down on the FAIR Plan. It doesn't have much authority. While the FAIR Plan is mandated by the state, it is run by private insurance companies.
They have shown a willingness to thumb their noses at the commissioner and say no when he orders them to do something.
The insurance commissioner declined the I-Team's request for an interview, but his spokesperson told us the lack of transparency at the FAIR Plan is a problem. He said the commissioner is using every tool at his disposal to help homeowners. We learned he's pushing the FAIR Plan to beef up its staff so it can process applications quicker. And that may be working. The FAIR Plan told the I-Team it recently drastically increased its staff, which has greatly reduced delays. It didn't comment on Lloyd's application, just saying in part it's committed to ensuring all Californians have access to basic property coverage. But finally, Lloyd's FAIR Plan approval came through.
Over 3 months to get a policy which should have taken 2 days.
He hopes the process clears up soon for other desperate homeowners.
Now, when shopping for homeowners insurance, United Policy Holders has a few tips to help cast a wide net. Reach out to as many agents as possible to help you, and then consider bundling your home and auto. You might also want to raise your deductible, and if your insurance allows it, you can ask to reduce your contents coverage. If you're having a problem with the FAIR Plan, the Department of Insurance says it wants to hear about it. You can find out how to reach out to them and to United Policy Holders on our website, NBCLA.com.